Located in Midtown across from Hardaway High School and just around the corner from Clubview Elementary. Welcome to 2846 College Drive in Columbus, Georgia. This beautifully maintained and updated split-level home is 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths with almost 2,600 square feet. All of the bedrooms are spacious, and this home has unbelievable closet storage. Midtown offers a wonderful community feel with great energy. It's convenient with easy access to parks, shopping, restaurants, and more. The lower level features an amazing bonus area, offering great flexibility as a recreation room, a living room, a fitness room, and more. It's open to the private backyard with a great patio area. Convenience and style at a value. This is 2846 College Drive. Don't miss it. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.